It seems as though everybody is talking about inflation. Let's bring in Craig Bolanos for some common sense on this topic. What do you have to say, Craig?
That's right, Angela. Inflation is all over the news, and let's understand what inflation is. It's an environment in which we generally have increasing prices for the goods and services that we as consumers want or need to purchase. Hence, as prices go up, it takes more of our money to buy the same goods and services that we once got for less. And the truth is, we can see inflation everywhere in our daily life, whether it's the price at the pump, the price at the store for food, or even the cost of construction. Think lumber and other raw materials. Now, that's the effect of inflation, escalating prices. What's the cause? Well, it can be really traced back to not one, not two, but three things today. We've had massive fiscal stimulus plans that have infused all this money into our economy. That combined with a resurgence of people getting back out and living their life because they've gotten vaccinated, and the fact that a lot of consumers have a lot of cash built up because they weren't able to travel last year. They didn't go out to eat nearly as often as they want. You put all those things together, it's a recipe for an inflationary environment.
Craig, what are some common steps that investors can take to inflation-proof their retirement savings?
Well, at the Wealth Management Group, we break this down into three sincere and actionable categories. The first being basic inflation hedges. These are investments where the value goes up when inflation comes in line. Think items like I-bonds, Treasury inflation protection securities. The next category is inflation beaters. The most obvious choice here being stocks. When you own a diversified basket of stocks that have demonstrated a history of growing their dividend and increasing their share price, that's what we refer to as an inflation beater. The third category, rounding this up, are inflation trades. These are typically going to be in the form of commodities. Think gold, silver, copper, platinum, energy, agriculture. And I list these as trades because anytime you're investing in assets that are more volatile relative to their price, points of entry and points of exit are absolutely paramount. What's the bottom line? You have to have a plan to hedge out the silent killer who is silent no more, inflation. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. If you want to learn more, you can. Go on out to our website, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.